right, so for this problem, we've got an air being pumped into a soccer ball at a rate of 8 cubic inches per minute. So that's going to be our dV dt because it's cubic. And we want to find the rate of change of the radius, so we want to find dr dt. When the radius is 3 inches, which I've already put in my picture over there. So we're talking about a sphere, so the volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. And we're going to take the derivative of that, so we get dV dt is equal to, that should be a cubed, r cubed, not an r squared. So when we take the derivative of that, we get 4 pi r squared. Remember, the 3 is coming down for the power rule, so it cancels with the 3 in the bottom. And I'll fix that so it looks more like a 3 there for you. All right, and then we're just going to plug in what we know. So we know that dV dt is 8. 4 pi, and then our radius is 3. And the one thing I forgot to put on the end there was my dr dt, which is what we're trying to find. Because remember, whenever we take the derivative of something, we need the implicit piece. So dr dt is on the end there. All right, and then we're just going to finish our multiplication. So we've got 8 is equal to 3 squared, which is 9, times 4, 36, pi dr dt. So ultimately, dr dt is equal to 8 over 36 pi. If I simplify that, that is 2 over 9 pi inches per minute. Now all of our answers are in decimals, so I'm going to go to my calculator and I'm going to type them in. All right, so as you can see, when I type in 2 divided by 9 pi, I get 0.071 because the 7 will bump the 0 up. Please remember to make sure when you type it into the calculator that the pi was in the denominator. Most of the time you will need parentheses.